Hi everyone, here we've got on our 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I will show you the customization and then much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on display and brightness. And as you can see here, we've got eye comfort, so simply tap on it, and before we will customize it, we have to actually turn it on. So let's turn it on just by tapping on the second switcher, enable all day. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, and it is in order to filter the blue light. You don't have to enable it all day. I mean, you do not have to turn it on or off manually, because if you will tap on this switcher, you will be able to schedule this feature. So you will be able to pick the start time and end time, and then your device will automatically turn it on or off. So let's pick the start time around the time we've got right now. So let me pick maybe 11 AM. Tap on OK, and as you can see, the screen immediately turned yellow. It is because we've just set the start time before the time we've got currently have. So let me pick also the end time, for example, maybe 6 PM. Okay, and as you can see, and the screen still is yellow because we are between the start time and end time. But let me turn it off. Let's enable it all day. And under it, we've got the filter level. So here by swiping, we can change the intensity of the feature. So by going to the left, we can make it a little bit cooler. And by going to the right, a little bit warmer. Those changes are not very, visible. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I will leave maybe the warmest one. So actually, this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, just unroll the top bar, and here we've got the eye comfort icon. So right now it is obviously turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it, and the screen immediately turns back to its normal state. You can of course turn it on here. So actually that's all. This is how to use, how to enable, how to customize the eye comfort mode in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.